In today's video, I will show you a new website to make free PayPal money now. Is this worldwide available? Exactly how does this work? And just how to cash out our earnings? Watch till the end to find out. But before that, welcome to our channel. If you enjoy our videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Now let's start the video. Step number 1. The first thing that you want to do is go over to this brand new website. I will show you the name of this website soon after because at the end I will show you a bonus tip and I don't want you to miss that part. That's the best way to make money on this website. So don't worry about the name. Keep on watching and I will show it to you later. Now if you are wondering, is this website worldwide available? Of course, this works all around the world. This website supports all countries. This is how it works. First, we want to earn money by completing easy offers. Those offers are really simple and they take 5 minutes to complete. After that, we can select a withdrawal procedure and also we can withdraw our earnings. This website is launched in 2020 and also they are working on updates every hour. Highest payouts on offers even compared to the most competing websites. Focus on clean design, easy to understand and super user-friendly. Instant withdrawals, PayPal, Bitcoin and a lot more. Verified and tested tags, no worries about not getting paid any longer. Cash out starting at 1 cent, cash out whenever you want. Step number 2, in this step we are going to create an account right here. So first click on register. And now you can create your account by entering your Gmail address and other stuff, or you can register with your Google account or Steam account. Step number 3, once you created your account, this is how it will seem like. Now we can make money on this website. It's extremely simple and anyone can make money on this website. To start with, click earn and also now we can complete these offers and also we can make money. Then select any survey you want as well as complete it. It will take 5 minutes to complete one simple survey. Withdraw method. Now I will show you how to withdraw your earnings. First, click on withdraw. As you can see, they have numerous withdrawal techniques including PayPal. Select your withdrawal option. If you choose PayPal, enter your PayPal email address right here. Once you have done that, you can withdraw your earnings. It's as simple as that. Bonus tip. So now I will show you the bonus way to earn even more cash. Initially, click on these 3 lines. Then click on the affiliates button right here. As you can see, share your referral link and earn 5% of all offers completed by your users. It is the best way to make money on this website. All we need to do is share our link. After that, we can earn money without doing anything. The best part is our referrals. We'll also earn 100 coins as a bonus. Just copy your link and share it everywhere. So the name of this website is freeskins.com. So again, this is freeskins.com. Then that's how you can earn free PayPal money online. This is the part of this PayPal cash collection. And stay tuned for the part 2. It's more effective than this one. And that's it for today's video. If you get something helpful in this video, give it a like and share it with your friends and family. If you enjoy our content, subscribe to our channel and press the bell button. Let us know how much money you earn by using this website in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.